chasing dreams across the world so wide. Red and white ignite their heart's desire. Now the call rings clear, it's our time to rise, time to lift our nation to the skies. Dreams are forged in foreign lands so wide. Now they shine on our own soil with pride. In Garuda's arms, we unite as one, creating history as battles are won. When Garuda call, we will answer with pride. Unite on the field where our spirits collide. From lands afar to our home so grand, Garuda guides us with victory at hand. When Garuda call, we will answer with pride. Unite on the field where our spirits collide. From lands afar to our home so grand, Garuda guides us with victory at hand. When Garuda call, we respond to the sound. Together we march on this sacred ground. From distant shores to the heart of our land, Garuda leads us, united we stand. Feel the roar, the anthem of our land. Names rise high beneath the stars we stand. Garuda's strength, unbroken and bold. With unyielding hearts we'll never fold. When Garuda call, we rise with the dawn.